How to delete all reposts at once from Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete all reposts at once at Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on your activity. And now here, once you see the section like this, you can just tap on the option labeled as repost. And now here on the new page, you can just tap on select option shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from there, you can just keep on selecting the videos that you want to delete. And here, once you have selected all the videos, you can just tap on delete option, which can be seen in the bottom of the screen. Now here you can just tap on it and confirm it by tapping on delete again. And that's it. That's how you can delete all reposts from Instagram at once. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.